There's a lot of financial advice out there, but not every piece of advice is created equal. One thing you can be sure of is that billionaires have an excellent understanding of how to manage and increase wealth. So, we've gathered some of the best tips from 7 billionaires who shared the keys to their financial success. Number 7. Michael Bloomberg. Never stop learning. Michael Bloomberg once said, "I've never met a Nobel Prize winner who didn't think they had an awful lot more to learn and wasn't studying every single day." Financial literacy should be a significant component of your entire education, whether you choose to use it to examine your spending patterns or investigate new business opportunities. Even if most people won't become billionaires, we can still use it to live comfortably financially. Number 6. Chris Sacca. Embrace being a cheapskate. There was a time when Sacca didn't have complete discretion over his financial decisions, and he offers some simple advice to college students. Being a cheap bastard now means so much more freedom and choices later. This does not mean you should cut back completely on your spending. Instead, consider places where you may save money or where you are spending more than is necessary. Number 5. Carlos Slim Helou. Failure is okay. Speaking at the American University of Beirut, Slim, whose interests span hundreds of businesses, including the New York Times, Saks Fifth Avenue, and several Mexican ones under Grupo Carso, asserted that when we face our difficulties, they disappear. So learn from failure and let success be the silent incentive. You may experience a few setbacks while you work towards your financial objectives. That's acceptable as long as you learn from them. Number 4. John Paul de Joria. Have an emergency fund. In a perfect world, we'd never need to worry about bills, emergencies, or other unexpected costs. That's why you need to be well prepared. Before making an investment or launching a business, make sure you have enough cash set aside to cover the expenses for at least 6 months. Number 3. Oprah Winfrey. Discover your passion. Oprah became a billionaire by identifying her sources of motivation, betting on her own abilities, and with that going on to create an unrivaled media empire. You don't become what you want, you become what you believe, as Oprah once said. Number 2. Tom Monahan. Reach your dreams with both short and long-term goals. Tom Monahan, the man behind Domino's Pizza, has made loads of money. He's got plenty more dreams of his own too, and doesn't expect a 100% success rate in reaching them. The advice Monahan gave us is a fantastic reminder to never give up on our objectives and to continuously set new ones. At various times throughout our lives, we will have various financial goals, and that will come and go, he said. I don't think I'll ever achieve them all. I hope not. I don't like having to think about a day when I might stop having new ones. Number 1. Warren Buffett. Good investments take time. Self-made billionaire Warren Buffett has always emphasized the importance of long-term investing. Warren Buffett said successful investing takes time, discipline, and patience. No matter how great the talent or effort, some things just take time. He also said, you can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. The fact that Buffett built up the majority of his wealth after he turned 50 is arguably the most remarkable aspect of his life. You can too. It's never too late to start. Okay guys, if you found that video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.